Hello everyone, and welcome to our next lecture. Today we'll delve into the landscape of personal adversities, highlighting the roles of loss, illness, and personal crises. Personal adversities are intimately connected to the human experience. They are individual challenges, hardships, or distressing experiences that we navigate throughout our lives. These adversities can be universal, such as the loss of a loved one, severe illnesses, or personal crises like divorce or job loss. The loss of a loved one is a profound adversity, causing emotional pain that is universally felt yet individually experienced. Grief, the response to loss, is multifaceted, encompassing a wide range of emotions and behaviors. Severe illnesses pose a dual challenge, presenting not only physical hardship, but also psychological distress. The struggle with illness can significantly affect one's emotional well-being and life perspective. Personal crises, like job loss or divorce, can disrupt our lives' stability and predictability. They bring about significant change, often entailing a process of adjustment and adaptation. While these adversities present profound challenges, they also serve as a catalyst for personal growth and transformation. Indeed, there are opportunities for us to harness our inner resources, demonstrating resilience and adaptability. Let's delve into the history, specifically the Renaissance period, where two notable figures displayed resilience in the face of the devastating loss during the Black Death. The first figure is the renowned Italian poet known as Francesco Petrarca, better known as Petrarch. Despite the immense loss during the Black Death, Petrarch's work bloomed, driven by his deep personal experiences and contemplation of life and immortality. He penned the famous poem Il Canzoniere, or Songbook, using his profound sense of loss as a catalyst for his artistic expression. While a significant portion of the work is dedicated to his unrequited love for Laura, the poems also explore themes such as human frailty, the transience of life, and the potential for spiritual renewal. One example of renewal is found in Sonnet 264, in which Petrarch laments his past worldly desires, but acknowledges the possibility of a spiritual and moral renewal. Quote, "My sinful eyes have run their wicked course, my reckless life draws near its wonted end. Full of remorse, I recognize the force of virtue, seen too late to make amends. After the stormy passions and perverse, I see, at the inevitable close, how sweet the things I now shall have to lose, how bitter what I never should have loved." Close quote. In these lines, Petrarch shows a keen understanding of his past transgressions, but rather than remaining stuck in the regret, he uses this realization as a springboard for potential spiritual transformation and renewal. This emphasis on renewal and spiritual growth through introspection and self-understanding is a critical component of Petrarch's work, encapsulating the humanistic ethos of the Renaissance era. Another figure is Giovanni Boccaccio, the author of the Decameron, a collection of 100 novellas told by a group of 10 young people who have fled to the outskirts of Florence to escape the Black Death. Even amidst the grim backdrop of the plague, Boccaccio's work has a myriad of positive and lighthearted moments. One such example can be found in the introduction to The Third Day. Quote, "So with joy in their hearts they made their way to a garden, where the myriad flowers formed a tapestry under the vast emerald sky. There they spent the day in merriment and companionship, forgetting the horrors of the world." Close quote. In these lines, despite the looming threat to the plague, the characters find solace in nature, in each other's company, choosing to focus on positive emotions and life's simple pleasures. This serves as a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring pursuit of joy even in the face of adversity. Both figures exemplify how personal adversity, in this case the catastrophic loss from the Black Death, can stimulate profound, creative, intellectual output. So how do these adversities impact personal well-being and growth? Firstly, they challenge our psychological resilience. We are compelled to confront our emotions, reflect on our lives, and often grapple with existential questions. This deep introspection can catalyze emotional growth and enhance emotional intelligence. Secondly, personal adversities can instigate a shift in perspective. They often provide a stark reminder of life's fragility, promoting a reevaluation of priorities and values. This reorientation can lead to a renewed sense of purpose and a more authentic and fulfilled life. Thirdly, personal adversities can fortify social connections. They highlight the importance of social support, fostering empathy, compassion, and a sense of interconnectedness. They remind us that despite our individual struggles, we are part of a wider human experience. Finally, adversities often fuel personal development and self-efficacy. As we navigate challenges, we learn to harness our inner resources, enhancing our confidence in our abilities to face future hardships. In conclusion, personal adversities, while challenging, offer unique opportunities for growth and transformation. By acknowledging the potential hidden in these experiences, we can empower ourselves to navigate life's adversities with resilience and courage. As we progress in this course, we'll explore the strategies and resources that can facilitate resilience and growth amid adversity. Until then, remember, within every challenge lies the seed of opportunity.